Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can download and play Spotify music offline on mobile. So what you want to do is, what you're gonna do is just click on the playlist that you have, like Kings of Leons, and now you're gonna see this download button. Click download and it will automatically download every single song that you have in the playlist. As you can see, it's downloading. Or another thing that you can do is to click on the songs that you have, click on a song, and then again you can download it. As you can see, like the whole playlist is downloading, and this is pretty much it how we do it. So this is how you can simply download and play Spotify music offline on mobile. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.